Let's see what happens. He's kind of heading in towards some breaking waves.
I'd love to see a fucking outer cap and just grab that guy. Ocean Beach, after all, is self-regulated.
Here he goes. He's going to hit some waves for sure, huh? Whoa. He's got one more set. Oh shit, he's going right up this one.
What is he doing out there?
Whoa!
Oh! Oh, dude.
I got that.
Dude with the 2 broken legs right there.
Oh my god.
Seriously, what did that feel like on your legs?
You get one more wave here. Hey, he's still in the boat.
That dude got air. Motherfucker got air.
I'm just telling you.
Have that on
I got
there?
that.
That's crazy.
He could have easily just went over with the wind.
Throw that on my fucking
Throw it out in the clip.
Send me a clip.
Yeah.